Hi, I'm Alfie Gwynne, I'm 15 years old and I'm representing Pontypridd.
Hi Alfie, tell us about some of your experiences and involvement within the community.
I am quite involved within the community. For example, I hosted a celebration event with upwards of 100 people to celebrate Yeps's experiences throughout the year and obviously celebrate them. One of which was actually meeting the Princess Kate and Prince William in Meadow Street Garden, which I actually got to be there for as I'm an avid volunteer there. I'm also an avid volunteer within county youth forums and youth forums, which through those I managed to become an up-and-coming youth inspector.
That sounds amazing. So what makes you the right person to represent RhCT as an MYP?
I'd be the right person to represent RhCT as an MYP as I am a quite persuasive and outspoken individual who finds it quite easy to get my point across with the right motives.
Great, and what's one thing people might not know about you, Alfie?
One thing people might not know about me is that Welsh is actually my first language. However, with the lack of Welsh speakers throughout South Wales, I've actually lost quite a bit of my linguistic, and I believe we should advocate for more Welsh speakers in South Wales so that the language is no longer seen as dying and rather just the Welsh language.
And why should young people vote for you in this MYP election?
Young people should vote for me in this MYP election as I'm quite, as already stated, an outspoken individual. But I believe I'm also quite influential within my community and I can listen to the points and the changes you want around the area and actually make a step forward to allowing those changes to happen.
Thank you, Alfie.